Excel Simple Life Hacks. How to write in Excel. You can have 2 rows of text in one cell. Hit Alt and Enter simultaneously and now you have 2 rows of text in one cell. If you want your rows or column to be bigger, you can adjust them manually. Like this. If you want all the columns to have specific width and height, then you will first have to select all the columns by clicking in the top left corner once. Now when your entire spreadsheet is selected, go to Home, select Format and choose either row height or column width. I will adjust the column. Let's make the column width 12. Last thing is my title of my spreadsheet. I wrote it in one row. I would like it to be in the middle of this yellow rectangle. Select all the cells in the rectangle. Go to Home, Merge and Center and select Merge and Center. Now format the text, so the text is in the middle. And now you know how to write in Excel.